me again. Welcome to the second video in our series, Incorporating in Singapore and Beyond. In the first video, we have learned about how to incorporate a company in Singapore. In this video, we will discuss further into accounting and taxation matter in Singapore. As such, the information here will be more technical. Taxes and accounting are two of the most important issues when it comes to running a business in Singapore. You may have questions about how to do tax planning, how to improve your cash flow performance, or how to maintain bookkeeping. As such, let's go into some commonly asked questions about taxation matters and internal accounting.
Hi, aspiring entrepreneur, business owner, new startup. Welcome to our discussion session regarding how to set up a company in Singapore, how to run a business in Singapore, as well as some other corporate advisory matters. I'm Saifan. I'm a chartered accountant registered with ISCA, which is the Institute of Singapore Chartered Accountant. And as a recognized chartered accountant, I have extensive experience in audit, tax planning, accounting, and corporate advisory matters.
Since so many people are very interested in learning more about the tax incentives in Singapore, let's talk about this. So I learned that the corporate tax in Singapore is a flat rate of 17%. Is it correct?
Basically, the company tax rate is levied at 70%. However, there are some exemption for the new startup for the first 3 years. For the first 200,000 of chargeable income that they make, they have some concession. The effective rate could be as low as 3.4%.
I understand that the company have to submit a financial statement to IRAS and ACRA.
Yeah.
Are there any other reporting requirements?
Basically, there's no other reporting requirement, but we need to prepare a tax computation based on your financial statement. So we have a team of tax experts who can plan, who can compute, and who can submit tax for the client. This is just a one-stop solution.
Another topic that many people want to know about is dividend income. Can dividend income from this Singapore company be remitted overseas? Are there any tax implication to this?
Basically, the dividend income is not taxable at the Singapore level because it is declared net of tax. It can be remitted to the country of recipient, but however, whether is it taxable will very much depend on the regulation at the recipient country.
Can my company in Singapore invest or set up a new company in another country? And just in case that this investment is profitable and I want to remit the profit back to Singapore, is there any tax implication in Singapore?
Can hold another company in other countries. However, it is also very much depend on the regulation of that particular country. Your question regarding the profit, whether is it remitted back to Singapore, is it taxable? That will depend on whether the profit is capital in nature or revenue in nature. If it is capital in nature, there's no tax.
Okay. To sum up, Singapore's tax system and accounting process are very well established and transparent. Global Asia Consulting can help you comply with all local requirements by providing very comprehensive services. What do you have in mind? Reach out to us. We'll do our best to help you. In the next and also the last video, let's take a look at how to open a bank account in Singapore and why you should do so.